So guys, today I want to show you how to add a custom code to your Webflow project. So first, look into your Webflow with your active Google account or another verified account. Next, we'll be directed to the all sites here of the dashboard of your Webflow projects. Click on the project that you want to add custom code to. For example, click on open Webflow here. You'll be directed to the official edit page of Webflow. Now you will find here the official canvas of Webflow where you can edit the content and the design of the page, the elements, the colors, etc. So click on the plus button here on the left side bar where it says add elements. Head over to elements and search for code embed, and here it is, guys. And this is the element that enables you to add custom code to your project. Allows you to get super unique with custom HTML code when you're ready to see the script. So this is the paid pro account. For the free version you can access this, but with a paid account you can drag and drop this to your canvas and add your custom code, whether it is HTML, CSS or JS. And that's it, guys, and work is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.